Hello. Welcome to the session on sustainability. And hopefully that door will get closed in the back there. Hopefully it's been a good morning for you so far. And since you've already been in one session, you know how this session is going to be structured and how it's supposed to work, but really want to encourage people. Not only do I think we have a very good panel, but I think in terms of the perspectives that you all will offer as part of the discussion, we'll continue to enrich it. And sustainability is always an interesting topic, as we heard from this morning's session, and there may be some themes that we bring forward. Just a few things before I will introduce our panel in its entirety, and then if people would like to add anything to their introductions as they begin to speak. But we are, I'm going to be joined by, and the first thing I could say is that Tracy Carson, who is one of the PEPFAR representatives listed from OGAC, is not able to join us today due to illness in her family. So we wish them well, and we will miss her, but hope that Marta sort of reflects back the discussion topics and can carry the conversation forward. So we do have Martha Leavitt from, is it Leavitt or Leavitt? Leavitt, I'm sorry, I have a typo on my agenda. So Martha Leavitt from the U.S. Agency for International Development, thank you for that correction. We also have, in terms of other discussants, Martha will be representing PEPFAR. Other discussants we have are Mr. Thomas Basica from the National AIDS Committee in Malawi, Ms. Desiree Edgehill from Artis in Direct Support in Guyana, and John Palin from APT Associates. For committee members, we are joined by our chair. He's still the chair until it gets disbanded. We get to keep him until
about 5 o'clock today.
We get to keep him a little longer as Dr. Robert Black from Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Health. We're also joined by Dr. Mary Bassett from the Doris Duke Charitable Foundation and Dr. Jen Cates from the Kaiser Family Foundation. Just to run through some little logistics very quickly, we do have a large panel and would like to give them a chance to prepare their comments, but we will reinforce what we asked today, is that we'd really like to have a dialogue. So we do have a timekeeper in the back, and Kate will be flashing those lovely cards reminiscent of a soccer game. So far, everyone's done extremely well, and few people have been really red carded today, so we really appreciate you working with us in trying to fit so much in such a short period of time. The way that we're going to do this session is we're going to take 5 minutes to quietly review the main messages, which are located in tab L of your briefing materials. And after that, we will proceed with comments in the order of the discussants of your agenda. And then we will open it up for discussion among the entire group, and hopefully we'll be able to continue some of those great conversations that we were having earlier. So that you will receive a yellow card when you have reached the end of your allotted speaking time, and you will receive a red card when you have surpassed your allotted speaking time, and hopefully we'll be able to bring it back to some discussion. Please remember that we do have participants by webcast, so we will also hopefully be having an opportunity to take some email questions from them. But if we could also just encourage you to look in the camera every now and then and say hello to the folks who are joining us from wherever they are around the world. So if you'll please just take 5 minutes to review the main messages.